Hello guys, welcome to Current Affairs Preparation. Today we will discuss top 30 current affairs MCQ of the May 3rd week. Let's begin the session. First question is, what is the name of the exclusive psychological counseling app launched for students and parents of CBSE affiliated schools? And the answer is option 5, Dost for Life. And CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. Chairman is Manoj Ahuja. Head office is Delhi. And next question is, Dr. Tahira Qutbuddin recently became the first person of Indian origin to win the 15th Sheikh Zayed Book Award. Sheikh Zayed Book Award is considered the dash of the Arab world. And the answer is option 1, Nobel Prize. She won this award for her book named as Arabic Oration, Art and Function. And next question is, ISRO's VSSC, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, has developed 3 different types of ventilators and oxygen concentrator. Dash is a low-cost ventilator equivalent to commercially available high-end ventilators. And the answer is option 2, Vayu. And here VSSC developed 3 different types of ventilators. Those are Prana, Vayu, Swasta. And the low-cost ventilator is Vayu. And ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization Headquarter, Bangalore, Karnataka, ISRO Chairman K. Shivan. Company has received RBI approval for prepaid payment instruments. Prepaid payment business. And the answer is option 4, Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance headquarter, Pune, Maharashtra. CEO, Sanjeev Bajaj. And next one is, which company has unveiled COVID-19 vaccine finder tool? And the answer is option 5, Paytm. And this tool will help citizens to check the availability of vaccination slots for a specific date by individually entering different PIN codes or district details along with age groups. Paytm headquarter, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Founder and CEO is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. And next one is, National Technology Day is celebrated on which date? And the answer is option 3, 11th May. And 9th May is celebrated as Mother's Day. That is second Sunday of May. For this year we celebrated on 9th May. And 11th May is National Technology Day. 12th May is International Nurses Day. And this year theme for International Nurses Day is Nurse, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. And next question is, who has been named as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for April 2021? And the answer is option 2, Babar Azam. Babar Azam is a Pakistani cricketer, and ICC Women's Player of the Month for April 2021 is Alyssa Healy from Australia. And next question is, who among the following has been appointed as the National President of FICCI Ladies Organization? FICCI Ladies Organization, FLO. And the answer is option 4, Ujjwala Singhania. And FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, headquarter, New Delhi. And next question is, name the following who has been elected to the prestigious National Academy of Sciences in recognition of his distinguished and continuing achievements in original research. And the answer is option 1, Shankar Ghosh. And National Academy of Sciences headquarters is Washington DC, USA. And next question is, Society for all the students of the state. And the answer is option 5, Tripura. Tripura CM is Biplav Kumar Deb and Governor is Ramesh Bayas. And next one is, name the bank who recently launched a chatbot EVA on CSCS Common Service Centers Digital Seva portal to support the village level entrepreneurs? And the answer is option 2, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank headquarter Mumbai. MD and CEO is Shashidhar Jagdishan. And next one is, name the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley. And the answer is option 3, Shankur Radar. Next question is, the Reserve Bank of India has appointed Dash as Executive Director. And the answer is option 5, Josh J. Katur. And next one is, who has been named as the ICC Women's Player of the Month for April 2021? And the answer is Alyssa Haley from Australia. Next one is, which institution has released a report titled Connected Commerce, Creating a Roadmap for a Digitally Inclusive Bharat, in collaboration with MasterCard? And which institution is option 4, Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India, headquarter New Delhi, and chairman of Niti Aayog is PM, presently PM Modi. And property consultant Knight Frank has ranked Dash and Dash in 32nd and 36th positions respectively in the Global Prime Residential Index. And the answer is option 1, New Delhi and Mumbai. That means New Delhi ranked 32nd and Mumbai ranked 36th. And this index is led by 3 cities of China. Those are Shenzhen, Shanghai and Guangzhou. Knight Frank headquarter London, UK. And next one is, an anti-COVID-19 therapeutic drug called drug-2-deoxy-D-glucose 2-DG is developed by which entity? And the answer is option 5, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. That means the Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, a lab of DRDO, has developed the drug in collaboration with the Dr. Reddy's Laboratories of Hyderabad. And DRDO headquarter New Delhi, and chairman of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. And next question is, recently who scaled Mount Everest for 25th time? And the answer is option 2, Kami Rita. Kami Rita from Nepal. And next one is, who among the following will be sworn in as Assam's 15th Chief Minister? And the answer is option 4, Himanta Biswa Sarma. And Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi. Next one is, PM Modi has participated in European Council meeting. Option 3, Portugal. And European Union headquarters is Brussels, Belgium. Portugal capital is Lisbon, currency is euro. Belgium capital Brussels, currency euro. Brazil, Brasilia real. France capital Paris, currency euro. Next one is, which country's participation in the Permanent Structured Cooperation Defence Initiative has been approved by the European Union recently? And the answer is option 4, above countries. That means Norway, Canada and US. These 3 countries are participated in the Permanent Structured Cooperation and Defence Initiative approved by European Union. And next one is, here Norway capital is Oslo, currency is Chrome. Canada Ottawa dollar. US Washington DC dollar. Next one, who among the following has won the 2021 Spanish Grand Prix? And the answer is option 2, Lewis Hamilton. He is from Great Britain. And next one is, name the author of the book Elephant in the Womb. And the answer is option 3, Kalki Koechlin. She is a Bollywood actress. And next one is, who has been named as the Sportswoman of the Year at the 2021 Laris Wall Sports Awards. And Laris Wall Sports Awards held at Seville, Spain. And the answer is option 5, Naomi Osaka. She is from Japan. She is a tennis player. And next one is Nadal. He is a Spanish tennis player, and Sportswoman of the Year goes to Naomi Osaka, Japanese tennis player. And Team of the Year award goes to Bayern Munich, and Breakthrough of the Year award goes to Patrick Mahomes. He is an American footballer. And the comeback of the Year award goes to Max Parrott. Max Parrott, a Canadian snowboarder. And Sport for Good award goes to Kick for More by Kickfire. And Lifetime Achievement award goes to Billie Jean King. Billie Jean King, an American tennis player. And Athlete Advocate of the Year award goes to Lewis Hamilton, a British racing driver. And Sporting Inspiration award goes to Mohamed Salah, Egyptian football player. And Sporting Movement of the Year award goes to Chris Nikic. He is an American triathlete. And next one is, in tennis, Dash of Belarus has won the 2021 Madrid Open Women's Singles title. And the answer is option 3, Arina Sabalenka. She is from Belarus and she defeated Ashleigh Barty from Australia. And 2021 Madrid Open Men's Singles title goes to Alexander Zverev from Germany, and he defeated Matteo Berrettini from Italy. Next one is, who among the following won the Best Actor Award at the New York City International Film Festival? And film Happy Birthday. Next one is, name the first Parsi on Indian cricket team since 1975 has been picked in the Indian Test squad for the World Test Championship final. And the answer is option 4, Arjun Nagwaswalva. He is from Gujarat. And next one is, in 2021, the UN General Assembly proclaimed the International Day of Argania on option 5, 10th May. And 7th May is celebrated as World Athletics Day, and 8th May is celebrated as World Red Cross Day and also World Thalassemia Day. And 9th May is Mother's Day, that means second Sunday of May. We celebrated this year on 9th May. And next one is, in the men's category, who won the 2021 Laureus Sportsman of the Year title? And the answer is Rafael Nadal, Spanish tennis player. And next one is, where is the headquarters of European Union situated? And the answer is option 3, Brussels, Belgium. And here we come to an end, guys.